So most of the junior developers get it really wrong when they think that code quality is about clean syntax, passing all the test cases, neat indentation, proper formatting, and that is it. Of course, it is a part of it. It is a part of code quality, but that is not the whole story. Good code doesn't only need to be pretty. It needs to be readable, maintainable, and efficient. Let me give you a couple of scenarios. When you are writing the code, you have to think like, can someone understand the code that I have written? Has it been written so much like a poetry or so much like an art that they can understand the code without decoding much about what was my thought process when I wrote the code? Like, the code should actually read like a prose, like it should be like a piece of art. They should be able to look at your code and they'll understand what is this if else block doing, or what is this for loop doing, or what is this method doing. It should be very clean and clear, crisp. That is how it should be. Second, let's say there is a bug which shows up 6 months later. Can you, or let's say you are not there, you're gone, can you or your team fix that code without breaking anything? Next scenario does your unit tests that you've written, or your code in general, handle the edge cases even better than your QA? Have you thought about the edge cases when you wrote the code? So these are the things which really matters in the long run. I like to believe that code quality is about how well your code fits into the larger system as a whole. So at some point as you grow, you have to think beyond your work. You have to think beyond just writing the code and pushing. You have to think beyond it, and that is what will show your sense of responsibility and your maturity. So clean code is great, but thoughtful code is what matters in the long run. Thank you so much for watching this video.